Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your Booksy subscription. So in this video I'm going to provide you 3 methods by which you can cancel your Booksy subscription. Okay, so first method, you need to cancel your subscription where you have purchased. So if you have purchased your subscription by using your Android mobile, then you need to visit on the Play Store and you need to tap on your profile icon and you need to select payment and subscription, and you need to select subscription. You will see your active list of subscription. You need to select Booksy and you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription very easily. If you have taken your subscription on iOS device, you need to open your iOS phone and you need to visit on settings section, and on the settings section you need to tap on your Apple ID and you need to select your subscription and you will see your active list of subscription. You need to select Booksy and you can cancel your subscription by using following the prompts. Okay, so if this method will not work for you, so you can contact Booksy related to cancellation of subscription. You need to compose an email. The email format you can see on your screen. You can also take help from ChatGPT. You can compose this type of email. In the email you need to mention each and everything related to your subscription, your account name, your number, your subscription starting date, end date, and plan, which plan you have taken, and you need to mention what is the main problem, why you want to cancel, and in the end you need to ask a proof of cancellation. And once your email is completely done, you need to send this email at info.gb@booksy.com, and you can also choose info.us@booksy.com. okay, you can send your email at their email address and they will guide you and they will confirm you. Once they receive your email, they will you can say like confirm your details and they will contact you related to cancellation. And by using this method you can easily cancel your Booksy subscription. Now if you have any other issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video my dear friends. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.